the one thing that is people talk about very often in this country, and it's been kind of misleading, this question about being naked.
Right. Yes.
That's not essential. So it's
Okay.
like you do what you're comfortable with. So like with these dudes, most of them are, not from Finland. So we do wear our bathing suit, our trunks. We do have so it's it's not an issue at all, because
Right. Okay.
first question many Americans ask, like, so then you'll start naked and stuff, and it's like not necessarily. It's about
Yeah. Right.
the sauna bathing experience.
Okay. No, that's good to hear because I feel a lot of people I think freak out about that and find it weird. So I'm glad you're not hardcore. You got to be naked in there.
That I'm not hardcore. I'm only hardcore about the fact that when we talk about this sauna bathing.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. For real, not very good.